Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is Patch Tuesday, second Tuesday of the month of May 2026. So today we do have for Windows 10 and Windows 11 the security updates. And if we look at the big picture, first of all, if you want to apply them, make sure that you go into your settings, into Windows Updates, and that you check for updates. I installed mine today on Windows 11, and so it's for Windows 10 and Windows 11, of course. So fixes in all of the products, so it's not just Windows, but in all of the products and services of Microsoft, fixes 120 flaws. The good news and all of that, no 0 days, even though there's a lot of critical flaws. So all of that is divided into 61 elevation of privilege vulnerability, 6 security feature bypass, 31 remote code execution, 14 information disclosure, 8 denial of service, and 13 spoofing vulnerabilities. So if we look in detail, there are 3 that come out of the lot because they are critical, but it's not a 0 day in terms of the flaw. It's not exploited in the wall. Nobody knows about it until now. And so, applying these updates is important because somebody will start, of course, exploiting these flaws. The 3 most critical flaws are the Windows GDI remote code execution. This flaw can be exploited by opening a malicious enhanced meta file using Microsoft Paint. The other one is on SharePoint Server remote code execution, but the other one that has to do with Windows itself is Windows DNS client remote code execution. An attacker controlled DNS server could send a specially crafted DNS response to a vulnerable Windows system, and that would cause a memory corruption, and in that memory corruption would allow anybody to take control, inject code, take control of the machine, do what they want. So this is, very important flaws to fix. So like I said, most of them are important. By the way, there are a few that are critical in other products, like one is in the Copilot for Microsoft 365. If you have Microsoft Office, several critical flaws are in Microsoft Office also. It's very important to check it out. And for the rest, Windows GDI, there's a Windows Hyper-V has a critical one too. Windows native Wi-Fi mini port driver has a flaw for remote code execution. Windows Net Logon has a vulnerability that's critical. So lots of things to check out. Windows graphics component has a remote code execution that is also critical. So quite a few things to check out. Like I said, total is 120, but that's not all Windows. That's all of the products and services of Microsoft. So it's important to check it out. It's important to apply these updates, especially for the critical flaws. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.